Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is retail trade. Retailing is the last link in the chain of distribution. It involves selling of goods and services to the ultimate consumer. By the retail trade, we mean the activity involved in selling directly to the consumer or user. It includes all those forms of selling to the ultimate consumer. So, a retail is a dealer in goods and services who purchase from manufacturer and wholesaler and sell to the ultimate consumer. The basic function of the retail are to be collect a large variety of goods from different sources and sell them to the consumer in small quantity. A retailer generally purchase from the wholesaler and keep a wide variety of a product. Retailer try to ensure that consumer are offered to the product in the form in the quantity they want. So characteristic of a retailer, the silent feature of retailer are the last link in the channel of distribution. They purchase from manufacturer, wholesaler and sell to the ultimate consumer. A retailer deal in a small quantity and operate in local market. And retailer generally deal in a large variety of goods. Retailer also generally operate near the resident area. And the capital investment in retail trade is relatively smaller compared to the wholesale trade. Retailer maintain personal relation with the customer and they even provide them good on credits and free home delivery service. And window dressing at the retail store is necessary to attract the customer. The service rendered by retailers to manufacturer and wholesaler are: first, retailer provide the following service to the manufacturer and wholesaler are their distribution of goods. Retailer act as a last link outlet for distribution of goods. They connect the wholesaler and consumer. Second, asserting the customer needs, retailer have direct contact with customer. They help the wholesaler and manufacturer in asserting the customer requirement and providing information on the basis of up to date the first hand information about the linking and preference of the customer. Retailer advise the wholesaler manufacturer to introduce necessary improvement in their product. Next, revealing from the retail botherations, retail revealing wholesaler of the botheration of dealing with large number of customers having different requirement and temperament and purchasing power. Risks, and next point, risk sharing, retail share risk with manufacturer wholesaler by keeping stock of their product. And next, service to the consumer means continuous supply. Retailer make available to the customer all the commodity even in the smallest possible quantity. The consumer are assured of continuous supply of the goods. They need not to store the goods in large quantity. Next, wider choice. A retailer keep a large variety of goods manufactured by various manufacturers. The consumer are offered to a wide choice. Next, advice to the customer. Retailer give advice to the customer to help them make a choice of product to satisfy their needs. He advised them about the method of use and utility of various products. Next, personalized service. Retailer maintain the personal contact with the customer. He try to meet their demand. He also certified them in the case of customer have been any complaint. Next, credit facilities. Retailer often grant credit to the customer, which is greater service to the customer having the temporary shortage of fund. Next, home delivery. Some retailer provide free home delivery service to the customer. After sales service. Big retailer provide the after sales service if needed, example repair of goods such as TV, etc. Next, customer convenience. Retailer try to give maximum local convenience to the customer and they are generally situated near the resident area.